Hello and welcome back to another review video. Today I would like to review a product that I have received from this company called Siues, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but in Deutsch you call it Siues or Siues, and they were kind enough to send me this product for review. So let's quickly hop onto the product itself. So in the box, what we get here are the two solar lights that come, and this is a small instruction manual. So let's first have a look at the solar lights, and then we'll go on to have a look at all the accessories. Here we have the solar light itself, very nicely and neatly packaged. And as you can see, the solar light itself comes with a kind of a panel structure, so it's fully paneled. These are the LEDs in front, this is the motion sensor, and as you can see, the solar panel itself is on the rear. So the advantage in having this kind of a setup is you don't need to have anything additional. You don't need to have a solar panel separately and the LED separately. Everything comes packed in one package, in one assembly. So the only thing you need to do is just to mount the solar lights, and then you're good to go, and will work extremely well. So they are waterproof, and the setup is actually very simple. There is nothing to open here, there are no panels to unscrew, nothing else to do, just to install the solar panels directly. So let's see what do we get in the box. Now I have this set of screws. So these screws look like small screws that you need to mount into the wall. If you want to mount this to the wall, you need to drill and put the screws. So the way you mount it is, the best part is it has a 360 swivel, so you can just move it the way you like, So you will mount this onto the wall, and then your lights will be like this or the way you want. So this is something really unique and something. Let's see if it turns this way. No, it turns only up and down. So what we'll do is we'll put the solar panels for charging. That's the first thing to do. And once we have a good charge for about 1 or 2 hours, we'll just monitor how the solar lights work, and what's the LED illumination, what is the quality. But overall I would like to recommend these LEDs because the quality is extremely good. You can feel the quality of the plastic when you hold it, the ruggedness. It's not some cheap quality plastic. So thank you very much for watching, and let's get back to the test. Once I get some test results, I will be putting out another video. So far for unboxing, the manual, the LEDs, the connectors, and the warranty card is what you get, the thank you card, and you can just register your product, or they have the information, so should be very straightforward. So I would like to show you the different modes that are available over here. So the first mode is mode 1. This mode 1, the light will automatically brightly light up when someone enters the induction range at night, and the light will be dim but always on when no one is in the induction area. So that's mode 1, where it will be dim but it will be on, which I guess some people might not want to have this kind of a setup. And then we talk about mode 2, where the light will automatically light up when someone enters the induction range, and then the light will be off when no one is in the range. So this is the ideal mode that an owner would like to have. So this is the mode that I would like to have, but you can always change the mode depending on your setting and what you want. And mode 3 is the weak light will be continuous, so no matter if there is someone in the area or not, the lights will be on. So these 3 modes are there. So let's have a look at how do we change the modes. So mode 1, so I do a long press, 1 2 3. So this is mode 1. As it said in the description, In mode 1 the lights will be dim, and when anyone comes near to the lights they will be bright. So right now I am near, the motion sensor has detected, and that's why it's mode 1. Let's set the second light on mode 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is also dim, and now when I'm near it's bright, you can see. Now let's go to mode 2. Press the power button again to turn on mode 2. So I press the power button again, and I press the power button again. So this is mode 2, which I would like to have in my area when I install the lights. So as described, mode 2 is you go near the lights and they turn bright. So now for example, I go near this light, I wave my hand and it's bright. So this is what I would really like. And third is mode 3. Press the power button again to turn on mode 3. This is mode 3. This is mode 3, where the lights are always on. And press the power button again and the lights will be turned off. So this is off. So now let's switch it back to mode 2. Hold on for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is mode 1. Press once, mode 2. Press once, mode 2. So the lights are set for mode 2. You can see it's working fine. So I would highly recommend these lights, and the next step is to mount these lights onto the area where I want them to be activated, and we will see the performance there. We have installed the lights, and now we will be approaching the light. So the motion sensor should detect me. Once it detects me, it's on, and you can see that the illumination is very good, very decent, and it gives the light on the whole area.